welcome back to my channel. Guess what today is? Keto Krate day. Kind of upset because it took a really long time for my Keto Krate to arrive, and I've kind of already been shown what's in it. Not very pleased about that, but hey, it is what it is. So I kind of already know from Instagram, and I avoided all videos, what's inside. So if you don't know what Keto Krate is, it's a monthly subscription box that you can order. It comes in, I think one is like 6 to 8 samples of foods, and one is like 10, I think, not sure. They are keto approved products that come in the crate, aspartame, maltol free, and they are soy and sucralose conscious. So it's always low carb. Let's open her up. So right away, there's some things in here that I have been wanting to try, and let's just jump right into it. I have been watching Erin does the keto. She tried these. She said she just could not get over the texture with these. So this is a dang bar. This is cardamom chai. Cardamom? Is that how you say that? Not sure. It says it's 5 net carbs for the bar. The serving size is 1 bar, 210 calories, 15 grams of fat. There's 6 fiber, 11 total carbs, and there are 3 sugars. So it's got stevia, almonds, hickory root fiber, cocoa butter, pea protein, sunflower seeds, coconut, chia seeds, chai spices, sea salt, sunflower, black tea, stevia extract. Okay. So because I'm so absolutely curious about this, I want to try this one right now. I've heard the texture is horrendous. All right. I mean, the texture isn't horrible, but I don't necessarily like it. I will say, if I want a bar, I would much rather go for a Quest bar. The flavoring in a Quest bar is tastier. The texture of a Quest bar is better. This really, I don't. Okay, you can try it. Just a tiny bite. What do you think? I don't know. I'd rather eat a Quest bar, to be honest. What's the sense, you know? Fat snacks. Double chocolate chip cookies. I have been wanting to try fat snacks for an actually long time. I know these are very popular. People get these all the time. I'm not going to open this one up. I will tell you it is 1 cookie is a serving size. So it's 100 calories, 9 grams of fat, total 7 carbs, 2 fiber, 3 sugar alcohols. What's the sugar alcohol in here? Xylitol and stevia. And there is non-GMO erythritol in here. And 2 grams of protein. So I know a lot of people swear by these. Oh, Next thing is a Stoka bar. Okay, I've seen these all over YouTube, all over Instagram. I've always wanted to try these. These are 4-gram net carbs. Is it for the entire bar? It is for the entire bar. This is very hard. I want to say sort of like the Dang bar, but this feels harder. This is 22 grams of fat, 250 calories. There's 6 fiber, 18 total carbs, 2 sugars, 9 protein, 8 sugar alcohols. This has stevia extract, erythritol. So yeah. Do I want to open this? I don't want to open it. If I open it, then I'll have to eat it right away. I'm not ready to do that yet. No. Ooh. Next is the Ketogenics Keto Meal Replacement. So what you're supposed to do with this is you're supposed to pour the powder into 8 to 10 ounces of cool water, stir or shake. It's recommended to have 1 a day. This is basically a meal replacement. So this is 150 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 8 total carbs, 3 fiber, 10 protein. This is 5 net carbs. This is vanilla flavor. Obviously, I can't try this one right here, but I am interested in trying this. Maybe I will have this for lunch one day at work or something, not sure. But I am interested in that. Next, we have some peanuts, sea salt and cracked pepper, flavor infused pizoots, premium Virginia. Is that Virginia? I can't. All natural, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no GMOs, no preservatives, no trans fat, no MSG, and gluten-free. Serving size is the whole bag. 203 calories, 15.95 grams of fat, 7.25 grams of carbs, total carbs, 2.9 grams of fiber. I don't know, 10 grams of protein. I don't think I've ever had peanuts with salt and pepper, so we'll try it. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. 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 Not for you. Get out of there. Not bad. Okay. That's actually really good. It's good. This is a weird Chocolate protein bar, 1 gram of sugar, maltol-free, gluten-free, 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, 3 grams of net carbs. Interesting. If you are a total carber, this is 27 grams. There's 22 grams of fiber, 1 sugar, 2 erythritol, 7 grams of fat, and 200 calories. This is a weird texture. It's the yellow cake. I do want to try this one. Those peanuts are good. That sort of just tastes like a Quest bar. Not bad. I'm taking it. Peyton wants to try it. He's a fan. Next is these Sunbiotics chocolate almonds. These are there's 1.5 servings in this bag, 13 grams of fat, 7 total carbs, 3 fiber, 2 added sugars, 6 protein. It has organic coconut sugar. We'll try it. Oh, I was gonna say there's no meat sticks, but there actually is a meat stick in here. All right, everybody wants to try these. So, Corey, he's off camera. He wants to try. They're kind of like powdery. I don't know. Not a super fan of that taste. What do you think? What do you think? No, I'm not a super fan of that. What is this? Milkadamia unsweetened vanilla macadamia milk. Okay, I've never had milk, this kind of milk before. This is 1 carb with 1 fiber, so 0 net, 1 gram of protein, 5 grams of fat, 50 calories for an 8-ounce serving. There's 4 servings in this. This is interesting. This is vanilla. Interesting. That's kind of neat. I'll have to try that. I don't want to open it yet because once you open it, you have to refrigerate it and then you have to use it. So, not yet. Oh my goodness, what is this? Maybe I will try it. Hello, I didn't know this was in here. Catalina Crunch, 0 sugar foods. Ditch sugar. Cinnamon Toast Artisan Cereal. 0 grams of sugar. This is 5 net carbs. Does it say the net carbs? Should be 5, I think. My fingers are dirty from those almonds. 90 calories. Serving size is half a cup. There's 10 servings in here. 4 grams of fat. 12 total carbs. 7 fiber. OMG, you guys. I had no freaking idea. I'm so excited now. This with this. Wow, thank you so much, Keto Krate. That is amazing. I will try this at the end. I have one more product, and that is a beef stick from Mission Meats. And I am gonna try this. I've not eaten anything yet today, guys. I just got home from Chris's house. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of my moms out there, whether it be to a child, stepchild, foster child, fur baby, what have you. A plant. If you take care of something, happy Mother's Day. I really don't like beef sticks that don't have information, but this is good. This is very good. It's in a beef collagen casing. I love beef sticks. It's good. Alright guys, I'm gonna try the cereal. Huh? Can you give me a bowl? Alright guys, I got a bowl. Oh my god, they're so cute! Look at them! Holy cow, that is so good. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your macadamia milk. I'm not gonna exactly use 8 ounces. Maybe I will, I don't know. I think that's probably 4 ounces. I need to buy. Oh my God. What do you think of it? I liked it. I like it. However, I might even like it better without milk, because once you put the milk on it, it kind of like the coating kind of comes off, where when I ate it by itself, you could taste the sugary cinnamony flavor. Where now it's just kind of like just a hint of it. It's still there, just not as much. But it's still, if you are a huge cereal eater and you're totally missing cereals, this is a great way to get that in. And this is tasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I think this is my favorite thing in the Keto Krate. Not a fan of this. These were good. Not a fan of this. I can't tell you. I haven't tried this. Haven't tried this. This is good. Haven't tried this. And this is good. So, yeah, I gotta go take care of some stuff today, but look what I did get. I bought myself this for Mother's Day. A new mouse. It is the pink basilisk from Razer. If you're a gamer, this is awesome. Highly recommend this mouse. Other than that, my coffee's gone. Alright guys. So I will leave a link in the description of Keto Krate's website. If I have a discounty type code or anything like that, I'll also leave that down below. There might be like some referral friend type thing. I don't know. Either way, just look in the description below if you're interested in Keto Krate. I will leave a link to their website. And what else do I want to say in here? I've been drinking this Teami chai. I do have a link for this in the description below. And I've been using this every other day, the Teami Colon. It really does work. And yeah, that's it guys. Hope you guys are making some great decisions over Mother's Day weekend. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.